Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I am bringing you one of my free crochet patterns. It is called the solid hexagon motif. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. As usual, I have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. There are several ways that you can start your hexagon. You can use the magic circle method, the slip stitch method, or the chain 4 method, which I'm going to be showing you how I make mine today. So I have already made 4 chains on my hook here. 3 of these chains are going to count as a double crochet stitch. Any 3 chains that you make throughout your pattern is going to count as a double crochet. So I'm going to make 1 double crochet into the first chain that I had made here. And this is going to count as 2 since I have these 3 chains over here. So I'm going to do 2 chains. And then I'm going to work 2 more double crochet into that center space there. I'm going to chain 2. And then I'm going to work 2 more double crochet into that same center space that's forming. Chain 2. 2 more double crochet into that center space. Chain 2. 2 more double crochet. Chain 2. Last 2 double crochet. Chain 2. And then going to slip stitch into the chains that I had originally made to start. And you can see this is going to be your first row here. So you're going to have 6 clusters of double crochet with 2 chains in between all of them for your first row. I'm then going to continue with the same color to show you how I would continue if I was using the same color for my next row. I'm going to make 3 chains, which we know count as a double crochet. Then I'm going to work 1 right next to it, 1 double crochet. And then I've come to a corner space. I'm then going to work 1 double crochet into that corner. I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to work another double crochet into that corner. And that's what you're going to do when you come across any corner space. It's going to be 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into that same space. I've now come across a side, which is going to be our double crochets that we had previously made. I'm then going to work 1 double crochet into each of the stitch on the side. Now I've come to a corner again. I'm going to do the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into that same space. I've come to a side again. I'm going to do 1 double crochet in each of these stitches on the side. I've then come to another corner space. I'm going to do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into that corner. And I've come to another side where I'm going to work 1 double crochet into each stitch on the side. I've come to another corner where I'm going to do a double, chain 2, double. Come to a side where I'm going to do 1 double in each of these stitches. Come to a corner where I'm going to do a double, 2 chains, double. I've come to my last side here where I'm going to do a double in each of these stitches. I've then come to my last corner where I'm going to do a double, chain 2, and a double. Yeah. Come on, yarn, work with me. Okay. I'm then going to slip stitch into the first chains that I had made. Hide that little yarn scrap. Okay, so this is going to be your second row. And you guys can already see how the pattern is going to be forming. So for any of the future rows that you make, when you come across any side, you're going to work 1 double crochet into any of the stitches on the side. Then when you come to a corner, it's always going to be 1 double, chain 2, 1 double. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off with this color. I'm then going to show you how I would attach a new color. Using some chains. Okay, so I have already made a little slip knot here with my new color. And I'm going to go ahead and start in one of the corner spaces. So I'm going to attach right here. And I'm going to make 3 chains. And we know that's 1 double crochet for 3 chains, right? So then when I do 1 double crochet, I would need to do 2 more chains. So I'm going to go ahead and do a total of 5 chains. And then I'm going to work 1 double crochet into that corner space. So all that together is going to be 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet like we were just doing. I've come to a side space, so I'm going to go ahead and work 1 double crochet into each of these stitches. I've then come to a corner where I'm going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. I've come to another side where I'm going to do 1 double crochet in each of the stitches across. Come to another corner where I'm going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. I've come to another side where I'm going to be working 1 double crochet into each of the stitches. I've come to a corner where I'm going to be working 1 double, chain 2, 1 double. Come to a side where I'm going to be working 1 double into each of the stitches. I've come to a corner where I'm going to do a double, chain 2, and another double, all into that same corner space. I've then come to a side where I'm going to work 1 double into each of the stitches. I've come to a corner where I'm going to do 1 double, chain 2, 1 double. I've come to my last corner where I'm going to be working 1 double into each of the stitches. I'm then going to slip stitch into those first chains that I had made to complete my row. Okay, so you guys can see how the pattern is forming here. You're just going to repeat row 2 for any of your future rows from now on. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please leave me any feedback on videos or future patterns, tutorials that you would like to see. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.